A beautiful interior isn't only about furniture, flooring, or wall finishes. Sometimes one simple change around the windows can completely transform the look and atmosphere of a room. And that's exactly what Lush Loom has been doing across Dubai, creating customized curtain solutions that combine luxury, privacy, light control, and modern design. Recently, Lush Loom completed 3 impressive curtain projects, each with a different space, different requirements, and a different design approach. From elegant sheer and blackout curtains at Al-Jazi 2 to a custom blackout curtain installation in Jebel Ali First and another layered curtain project in MJL Dubai. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at all 3 projects and seeing how the right curtains can completely change an interior.
Let's start with our first project at Al-Jazi 2 Dubai Holdings. The requirement here was more than simply covering the windows. The space needed a curtain solution that could provide privacy and light control while still keeping the interior bright, elegant, and visually open during the day. That's where the combination of sheer and blackout curtains came in. The sheer layer allows natural daylight to gently filter through the room, creating a soft and welcoming atmosphere. But when stronger sunlight needs to be blocked or complete privacy is required, the blackout curtains provide an additional layer of protection.
This layered curtain setup gives homeowners the flexibility to control the atmosphere of the room throughout the day. And visually, the result is just as important. The curtains add height, softness, and a refined finish to the windows, helping the entire interior feel more complete. It's a great example of how functionality and design can work together. Explore the full Al-Jazi 2 Dubai Holdings project through the link in the description.
From Al-Jazi 2, we move to our second project in Jebel Ali First, Dubai. This project had a slightly different focus. Here, the goal was to create a custom blackout curtain solution that would provide excellent privacy and control over natural light. Blackout curtains are particularly useful when you want to create a more comfortable and controlled environment inside your home. They can help reduce harsh sunlight during the day and create a darker, more relaxing atmosphere whenever needed. But achieving a premium result isn't simply about choosing blackout fabric. The curtains need to be properly measured, tailored, and installed according to the specific dimensions and design of the space.
That's where professional installation makes a difference. At Lush Loom, attention is given to the details, from the overall fit and fall of the curtains to how naturally they integrate with the surrounding interior. The final result is a clean, sophisticated window treatment that provides both practical performance and a premium aesthetic. And once again, the windows become an important part of the overall design, rather than simply serving a functional purpose. You can find the complete Jebel Ali First project through the link in the description.
Our third recent project takes us to Al-Jazi 2, MJL Dubai. And once again, Lush Loom combined sheer and blackout curtains to create a flexible and elegant window solution. Think about how a room changes throughout the day. In the morning, you may want natural daylight to enter the room. During the afternoon, you may want to reduce the intensity of the sunlight. And in the evening, privacy becomes much more important. A layered curtain system allows you to achieve all of these things with one beautifully designed installation. The sheer curtains help maintain that bright, airy feeling, while the blackout curtains can be drawn whenever additional privacy and light control are needed. But there's another advantage: the visual depth created by layering 2 curtain fabrics.
Instead of having a single flat window covering, the combination creates a richer and more luxurious appearance. The curtains frame the windows, complement the interior, and give the room a more finished look. This project is another example of how Lush Loom approaches curtain installation as part of the overall interior design, not simply as a window covering solution. Check out the full Al-Jazi 2 MJL Dubai project through the link in the description. So what do these 3 projects have in common? They show that there isn't one curtain solution that works for every space. Every home has different windows, different lighting conditions, different privacy requirements, and a different interior style.
That's why customization and professional installation matter. Whether you need complete blackout, soft, natural light, enhanced privacy, or simply want to give your interior a more luxurious appearance, the right curtain solution can make a noticeable difference.